捷克有17项世界文化遗产，包括卡罗维瓦利温泉小镇，这温泉会当浸，袂少人也会停来啉。浸温泉是只互捷克列入健保，加做医疗体系的一部分。
记者现在人就位在捷克的卡罗维瓦利小镇，这里的温泉相当独特，还被 UNESCO 列为世界文化遗产。
根据统计，捷克有17项世界文化遗产。卡罗维瓦利因为独特温泉甲悠久的古典文化，就伫2011年互联合国教科文组织列为世界文化遗产。这温泉唔但应浸，真侪在地人游客过会接来啉。
We are proud of the fact that if you drink only hundreds of milliliters of the water, like here in Kalavari, your body will really feel it in few minutes. You will feel better, and your body, if you drink here the water for maybe 1 week or at optimum 3 weeks, and your intestines are in better condition and so on. And if you measure, for example, the content of sugar in your blood, you will lower, for example, cholesterol in your blood too.
觉得喝起来蛮像的，有点像运动饮料，就是气泡水跟矿物质的味道啊。
Actually, I don't feel anything in particular. I just believe this could do some good to my body.
伫这小镇浸温泉，唔但是休闲活动，佫被当作医疗方式，甚至纳入捷克健保一部分。
And he will decide if you are a good one to stay in spa resorts. It's covered if you have some heart problems with your body, for example, locomotoric diseases. It's covered by your stay. It's completely covered by state.
卡罗维瓦利每年吸差不多60到70万游客，每年伫这办的国际电影节，佫是中东欧的年度盛事，带动当地经济发展。
By industry, hot spring make many opportunities for hotels, for sanatoriums, for pensions, for everybody. We are producing souvenirs, many products connected with hot water. We have many hotels here. We have many visitors, so tourism is very important here.
为观光医疗到食品业，温泉加做卡罗维瓦利产业链重要一部分，互小镇的健康旅游业正发展。唔但创造更加侪工作机会，各打响捷克温泉伫国际知名度。公视新闻记者刘玉婷捷克报道。